Personal Fitness and Exercise Crash Course, Flexibility and Stretching. Introduction. Welcome to the crash course on flexibility and stretching. In this section, we will explore the importance of flexibility and how stretching exercises can improve our overall physical performance and well-being. Flexibility refers to the ability of our muscles and joints to move through a full range of motion. It plays a vital role in various activities, including sports, everyday movements, and injury prevention. By incorporating flexibility exercises into our fitness routines, we can enhance our mobility, posture, and muscle balance. Stories and examples. 1. The dancer's grace. Imagine a professional dancer gracefully moving across the stage, effortlessly performing splits and high kicks. Their impressive range of motion and flexibility result from years of dedicated stretching and mobility exercises. This example showcases how flexibility training can enhance performance in specific disciplines, such as dance, gymnastics, or martial arts. 2. The garden enthusiast. Picture an avid gardener tending to their plants, bending, reaching, and twisting with ease. Their regular stretching routine has improved their flexibility, allowing them to enjoy their gardening activities without discomfort or limitations. This story illustrates how flexibility exercises can enhance everyday movements and improve quality of life. Top 12 Flexibility and Stretching Exercises / Methods / Techniques. 1. Static stretching. Static stretching involves holding a stretch in a comfortable position for a prolonged period, typically around 30 seconds. It helps improve muscle flexibility and relaxation. 2. Dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretching involves active movements that gently take joints and muscles through their full range of motion. It helps warm up the body before exercise and enhances flexibility. 3. PNF stretching. Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. PNF stretching combines passive stretching and muscle contraction to increase flexibility. It involves contracting and relaxing specific muscles while stretching. 4. Active isolated stretching, AAS. AAS is a stretching technique that involves holding a stretch for only 1 to 2 seconds and repeating it multiple times. It targets specific muscle groups and increases flexibility. 5. Yoga. Yoga combines stretching, strength, and balance exercises with breath control and meditation. It improves flexibility, posture, and mental well-being. 6. Pilates. Pilates focuses on core strength, flexibility, and body awareness. It incorporates controlled movements and stretches to improve flexibility and posture. 7. Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a gentle martial art that involves slow and controlled movements. It promotes flexibility, balance, and relaxation. 8. Foam rolling. Foam rolling, also known as self-myofascial release, involves using a foam roller to apply pressure to tight muscles and fascia. It helps release tension, improve flexibility, and reduce muscle soreness. 9. Ballistic stretching. Ballistic stretching involves using bouncing or jerking movements to push muscles beyond their normal range of motion. It should be performed with caution to avoid injury. 10. Active stretching. Active stretching involves contracting the opposing muscle while stretching the target muscle. It helps improve flexibility and coordination. 11. Isometric stretching. Isometric stretching involves contracting the stretched muscle against an immovable object or resisting force. It helps increase static flexibility. 12. Partner-assisted stretching. Partner-assisted stretching involves a partner applying gentle pressure to assist in stretching a specific muscle or joint. It allows for deeper stretches and improved flexibility. Summary. In this section, we explored the significance of flexibility and stretching exercises in improving our physical performance and overall well-being. We discussed 2 stories that exemplify the benefits of flexibility training in various contexts, including dance and everyday movements. Additionally, we listed and described the top 12 flexibility and stretching exercises, ranging from static and dynamic stretching to yoga and foam rolling. By incorporating these exercises into our fitness routines, we can enhance our flexibility, posture, and range of motion, leading to improved athletic performance and reduced risk of injuries. Poem. In the realm of movement, where bodies flow, flexibility reigns, our spirits aglow. With stretches and bends, we find our grace. Unlocking our bodies, a divine embrace. Reach for the sky, touch your toes. Stretch your limbs, let your worries go. Flexibility, like a river's bend, allows us to move, our limits transcend. Twists and turns, a dance with fate. Flexibility's gift, we celebrate. Lengthen the muscles, expand the range. With each stretch, a transformation takes stage. Oh, the wonders of a body that's supple. Flexibility's embrace, a joyful couple. From yoga to Pilates, we explore the ways to unlock our potential, and deepen our gaze. So let us stretch and flex with glee. Embrace the freedom, feel our bodies set free. In the NHub Metaverse channel, we guide the way. Start planning your adventure, seize the day. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of movement, where bodies sway, flexibility shines, lighting up the way. From stretches to bends, we find our flow. Unleashing our potential, letting our spirits grow. Chorus. Reach for the sky, touch the ground. Flexibility's grace, let it surround. Twists and turns, like a dance with fate. Unlocking our bodies, we celebrate. Verse 2. From yoga to Pilates, the choices abound. Flexibility's treasures, waiting to be found. Lengthen the muscles, expand the range. With each stretch, we undergo a beautiful change. Chorus. Reach for the sky, touch the ground. Flexibility's grace, let it surround. Twists and turns, like a dance with fate. Unlocking our bodies, we celebrate. Bridge. In the realm of movement, we set ourselves free. Exploring our limits, embracing our glee. In the NHub Metaverse channel, we lead the way. Start planning your adventure, make it today. Chorus. Reach for the sky, touch the ground. Flexibility's grace, let it surround. Twists and turns, like a dance with fate. Unlocking our bodies, we celebrate. Outro? Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.